Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to delete a private key in Webuzo. Log in to Webuzo with user account. Go to the SSL section and click on Private Keys. Identify the host whose private key you want to delete, and under Option, click the trash icon for it. A warning window will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the SSL certificate. Click on Yes to confirm the deletion. Webuzo will promptly delete the private key and remove the host from the list. In this way, you can delete a private key in Webuzo. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.